Neighbours is route 2. It's only 270. Leicester. Before we start, S&T just showed up to figure out a recent report about the brand new alarm not being functional properly, so that wasn't true, was it? Right, 11:29 New Year's Day, Monday the 1st of January 2024, and this is for the 11:30 LNER Azuma from Lincoln Central to London King's Cross, which in the last few weeks of last year didn't run at all, and it's the first London train today. Following this, we've got a severely delayed Nottingham service due to an earlier broken down freight train. There's a massive bowl of water in the power cubicle, so that's not safe, is it? Train. Over 207. To London King's Cross. Is this going to happen with the brand newest alarm then? Because that's apparently reported with a fault, but I don't know a fault with it. Dr. Page. No problem. 11:33 for the delayed 10:39 East Midlands Railway service from Lincoln Central to Nottingham, delayed by a broken down freight train earlier today. So this train will be right the way behind that Azuma to Newark, which will gain a further delay to the service to turn at Nottingham to then form 2L65, I want to say. So current delay for this service, without it continually counting, is currently 55 minutes. It was held back, then boxed in. 858. To Nottingham. Time for another one towards Nottingham then. 11:37 for the 11:38 East Midlands Railway service from Grimsby Town to Leicester. Should look alright, it's only 2 weeks old. So this one's right the way behind the other service, right the way to Nottingham, where the last one we saw will end and this one will continue. New year, same old problems.
Yeah, I was on it yesterday.
Did you stay on?
No, they're not self-contained after it. That'll probably be the proper day.
It's only 5:05. For Leicester, he's got to crawl right the way in the rest of his journey because that one ahead of him. With a slower version of the original Mo Flash. 11:49. This time it's the delayed 11:25 of Leicester Grimsby, which probably end up Barnetby because of turnaround time. Strangest of things. 3 in 10 years. 2014, last month, and the top of this year. Yet it took Newark's local team 3.5 years, give or take, to look at Barnby Road. And we're still waiting on Grove Road 5, if not 6 years after that first went faulty and's now gone flat. Grove, however, has had a complete refurbishment, but that's not been repaired. I think we're probably waiting for a spare order or completely ignoring it. Tolworth, one there still non-functional. Ranskill, still one that's blooping about the place. But why replace one here 3 times in 10 years? So I'll never understand. Originally the team came out because the older one was still in place and this one had already been replaced twice, but we've then replaced the newer one again. Mystic Meg has some things to put the answer for. Didn't record the changeover out of obviously staff crew respect, but got a very small picture log for close friends to observe. Following this one, we have the London Lincoln right behind him. Here's this one now, 17516 for Grimsby, if it'll get there. He's got London one then. The 1154 LNER Azuma from London King's Cross to Lincoln Central. Because they put the ladder away and say they were signing off, I'm going to leave after this train, assuming that nothing else is going to change whilst I'm gone. Though the local council seems to work on the hatch markings. Ever 208. Central, and that's that. New year, another new alarm. What's going to change somewhere else in the next video?